What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. On this channel, I love to give you guys tons of cleaning hacks and tips. So in this video, we're going to be talking about your dishwasher. Did you know that you are supposed to be cleaning your dishwasher about every 6 months? I know that sounds super silly and you're probably like, why do I have to clean my dishwasher? Well, the reason is because over time, grease and soap scum and food debris gets caught in your dishwasher and it will start to leave an odor, and it just becomes a breeding ground for germs, and you do not want that. So I have a simple, easy method for you guys, but before we do it, you want to make sure that the bottom is all cleaned out. There's no food or I don't even know, a spoon or whatever could be left down there. Make sure it's all cleaned out. So one thing you're going to need is some vinegar, some cleaning vinegar. You can get this anywhere. You can get this at the Dollar Tree. I do love the Dollar Tree one. And then you want to take and pour a cup of the vinegar into a glass or a bowl, whatever you have. Once you've poured the vinegar into your bowl or glass, you want to go ahead and set that glass in the middle of your top rack, like so. I should have mentioned that you want to make sure that your dishwasher is completely empty for this as well. You don't want anything in it. So once you've put the glass of vinegar, you want to go ahead and shut your dishwasher, and you want to run it on a hot cycle. Now, I don't have one of those fancy schmancy dishwashers. This just has like a couple settings. Once the cycle is over, then you can go ahead and grab the glass out and dump that out in the sink. For the second part of this cleaning and deodorizing, you will need some baking soda. You will need about a cup of it. Once you have got your cup of baking soda, then you want to go ahead and pull out the bottom rack and sprinkle it all at the bottom of your dishwasher. And then you're going to run another cycle, but this time you're not going to run it on a full cycle. You're just going to go ahead and put it on the rinse cycle and make sure that it is hot. Once that cycle is done, that is literally it. It was super easy peasy, and then your dishwasher will be smelling nice and fresh again. So that is all that I have for you guys in this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. That really helps out my channel, and subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Bye.